The Lyon hypothesis explains why one of two chromosomes is always inactivated during meiosis. When thinking about this, you can apply it to how you eat onions. You never eat the skin of the onion, you always want the inside. The inactivated X chromosome is on the outside, which is the skin of the onion. The activated is the inside of the onion that you're going to eat. X-linked inactivation is controlled by the presence of an RNA coating that coats the outsides of the X chromosome and will then repress its function, deeming it deactivated. When looking at this, you can think of the outside of the onion as the RNA coating. This doesn't make you want to eat it. You'd rather throw it away. X-linked inheritance is made possible by the presence of genes that repel the RNA coating that could possibly coat the X chromosome, making it non-functional. So when applying this to our onion, we're going to want to eat the inside of the onion instead of the outside because that's the very tasty part. We're going to apply our onion to bar bodies. Bar bodies are nuclei that contain two condensed X chromosomes, and always there is one of two X chromosomes that is deactivated throughout the process of meiosis. This concept can be used to explain the patterns of the tortoiseshell color on calico cat's fur. X inactivation is shown within the black or orange spots that they possess. When looking at the orange spots, think of it as a bar body. The black color is becoming the inactivated X chromosome, and it's leaving the orange spot, which is the activated X chromosome. We can apply this concept of fur patterns to Mendelian genetics by conducting a test cross between a female with short yellow fur and a male who is heterozygous for long fur who is black. The resulting ratio is 1:4 for each possible combination of these traits, which is 1:1 to 1:1. The two resulting females of this test cross will have the same pattern of fur, but different lengths of fur. They won't look exactly the same because of epistatic behavior of genes that determine which location their spots will be expressed on their fur.